Hey everyone, Larry at Farelco here again. I just wanted to make a quick video to talk about international shipping and do I ship to your country and everything like that for these Volvo loader clusters. We're doing lots and more of them from all over the place. This one came from Australia just today. Australia's been hot lately. They've been sending a lot my way. Yes, we do ship to most countries in the world. So if you've got a Volvo wheel loader with the instrument cluster issue, go ahead and send it in, but give us a call. You'll see on our website we have standard shipping in the US. You can click on there, it's just a set price, or express shipping, which is usually next day. And then there's Hawaii, Alaska, Canadian shipping, that's also one set price. And so those aren't an issue. They're pretty standard cost for that. That's why we put pricing on there, but it really varies widely from other countries. Australia, for example, typically most parts of Australia to ship it back from here is another $100 to $150 US for that. And most people have done absolutely fine. They don't care how much it costs. It's way less than replacing it with a new cluster, if they can even get them. So yes, the main answer to the question is yes, we do ship to just about every country in the world. But if you're outside of Canada, Alaska, Hawaii, continental US, give us a call. We can give you a quote on shipping, or if you don't care how much it's going to be, just send it in, and we charge you what we pay. So we're as fair as we can on that. Get as good of a deal as we can on that. That's it. Give us a call, and we'll let you know what we can do, and we will take care of you. So you're doing the right thing by calling us and asking those questions. We don't mind getting those calls at all. So thank you very much.